Gentlemen, hi Thumos, welcome back. Very quickly, I'm going to show you how to make a shake that you can have every morning. Carbs are 50 grams, roughly. Carbs are 70 grams, 50 grams of protein, and about 10 to 15 grams of fat, all right? I have this every morning, about the first 30 minutes that I wake up. You want to start with 2 cups of water. 1 cup of oats, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, half a cup of frozen blueberries, 1 heaping scoop of whey, a pinch of sea salt, a dash of cinnamon, you're going to blend it on high. Then at the end, we're going to add a serving of chia seeds. But you do not want to blend them on high, because if they get in the mix, they'll make the shake way too thick. So we're just going to turn it on, get them mixed up just for a couple seconds, and we're done. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. There it is, guys. Hope you'll try this. It's a great breakfast. It's super simple. It tastes great. Hope you guys enjoy it. Peace.